Powdered metal is so boring.
Boring? Anything but. Let me show you why. Let's go to Advantage, where the whole process starts.
Advantage is known for delivering powder at a relatively fast pace.
You start by blending different powders to make various metals.
The powder is in the blender. It takes approximately about a half hour to blend.
It's like mixing the ingredients for cake in a blender. The next step is to test the blend for which characteristics the customer ordered.
Metals go through a series of tests so our customers have an idea how the metal is going to perform in a production environment.
What happens next?
Let's take this to FormFast and find out. Here we are at FormFast. The powder is compressed to make green parts.
What are green parts?
Todd will tell us.
A green part is a part that has just been made of fresh raw material. It's compacted in the press. The sintering process actually binds the metals together.
It's neat to find out where the parts go and what they go into.
The parts go all around the world.
At one time, almost 70% of all the powdered metal produced in the country came out of the 3 or 4 county area.
And finally, the most important question, what's so cool about manufacturing?
My favorite part is working with the customers to help them solve problems.
You need professionals and you need skilled labor to be able to produce product that goes to everyday use.
It's very important that the United States as a country, Pennsylvania as a state, and Elk County as a community has something to offer to everyone.
So that's what's cool about manufacturing.
You still think powdered metal is boring?
No, it's quite interesting when you know how it works. And look, I got a new book.
Thanks for exploring powdered metal and manufacturing with us. See you next time.